Kain ko 1,000 per stick. Hi guys, this is Justin. Welcome back to my channel. After long weeks of waiting here in Seoul, it finally snowed. And in December, actually, I think it only snowed once, which is kind of weird. But finally in January, we're starting the week with snow. Can you see it? Yeah. By the way, I was not able to update regarding my Lasek. So last January 2, I was able to go to the clinic, go back there, and have my lenses, my protective lenses removed. So technically, all the surgery and the other lenses they put onto my eyes are already removed. And now I'm healing my eyes on my own. So just trying to be careful not to rub my eyes. That's the worst thing you'll do if you receive Lasek. At the same time, you should be always putting some of the medication they gave, like the drops they made and they gave for you, to be able to help your eyes heal faster and better. Because sometimes even if they heal incorrectly or not on the right shape or size. That could be a problem. But for me, thankfully, I'm almost on the 70-80% of 20/20 vision, so now I can still see clearer. But on those who are far away from me, it's harder for me to see them clearer yet. The Philippines Lasek is called PRK, and then we have Smile Lasik, and there's the normal Lasik. Since I got the Lasek or the PRK, it's similar to these much in the Philippines, roughly around 50,000 pesos. But in Korea, it's more expensive. I spent around 65,000. So the 65,000 included the surgery, the medicines, and I did additional treatment. Because one of the downsides for having Lasik is the dry eyes. So I availed one of the services called IPK. So it's more in order to cure the dry eyes syndrome. They will be cleaning the tear duct. So I did my first session last January 2, and we'll be doing 3 more. But overall, like 65,000 for the surgery, the dry eyes syndrome cure, and then the drops. At the same time, I also added the UV protective glasses. That's already quite a catch. That's already good bargain, I must say. And just to give you a breakdown, I'll just share it here on the screen, the breakdown of the total amount I spent. We're walking on melted snow, which is slippery, so be careful. By the way, the 65,000 also included free checkup. So all the tests conducted prior to the surgery were free, which is very nice. It's raining. No, it's snowing. Very slippery. Oh my god. We're here at Hewa, and every Sunday there are a lot of Filipinos here for the Filipino market. But I think it's closed today because of the heavy snow. Oh no, it's open. If you see the green tent there, that's for the Filipino market. This is for late white Christmas. I'm using umbrella because I think Osmo is not waterproof, so
Kabayan, pili na po kayo. Ano sa inyo? Tanong lang po. Pili na kayo makakadito, no?
Hmm.
Hanap tayo na mas malaki ang rate, sayang din.
지난번에 스파게티 만들었는데 이거 사용했어. Kain ko for 10,000 Korean won. Certificate. 1,000 per stick. All things are unlimited. Charles Tambayan. Here at Pongcha. What's happening outside? Merry Christmas again. 먹겠습니다. It's snowing. Does a pistachio taste? We're currently here at DDP. I think you're familiar with this structure. It's been months, years actually, when I first visited here. And I just returned here for after years of not visiting. Let's go. There are a lot of things they're doing here nowadays. Skincare. Round Love. I haven't really tried this brand, but this is a good find. A lot of exhibitions. They're turning it like Songfu. This is for makeup. It's indoors, but a lot of artificial trees. For makeup. Oh. Oh. Oh, so many skincare. I like this one. It smells so good. And you can actually wash and use it here. 안녕. Oh, you want to play piano, you can play it here. TDP. This is the outside part of TDP. Oh, be careful.
Oh, 떨린다.
Ah! You might get hit. Ah! It's melting. It's so slippery. You have to walk very slowly. This is where DDP is, and actually that's a Seoul City tour bus. You can sit outside. Yeah, no. You can sit there. It's a second floor bus. Second floor, 2-floor bus. A double decker, if you will. This is the thing I don't like about snowing. Pag ganito na yung snow, it's very slippery. Even if I'm wearing rubber shoes, it's still slippery. So you have to be very careful. Not just in Korea, probably in all parts of the world na may snow. We're having a mukbang. Ayan, mga tinda. 15,000. There are also a lot of bags. I'm not so sure if these are original thing. The design is very like Green Hills style. Philippines. But almost the same thing. Shoes. The standard rate for these kinds of shirts, 15K. I think because it's snowing, they did not set up a lot of things. Yan. Nothing much. What are these? But because of the snow, I think that's why there's nothing much lately. Hawaiian shoes. Screenshot. So many shoes and then bags. Actually, ito yung mga makikita nyo dito. A lot of bags and shoes. And usually for this kinds of stores, they only accept cash or bank transfer. So if you're gonna be visiting this kinds of place, it's better to have your own cash with you. Because unlike the malls, they have the bank kiosk or like the machine, but for here, it's just cash. If you're familiar with Korea's Tomyo, famous street market, almost the same thing, but less stores here because of the snow. So for the landmark, you just have to find this place, NPH. Kung nakita nyo na yan, if you're able to see this, you're in the right place for the cheap clothes here. Let's see. They're so much in cold position right now. It's very cold. This one is so fat. A few minutes from DDP, just walking directly to the clothing store I showed you, and then going forward, you'll be able to find this. This place is here. And it's so beautiful. One of the gates here in South Korea, in the city center. Myeongdong or the East Gate. It's called the Heunginjimun Gate. East Gate of Seoul. Built in 1398. Chita. But I cannot go inside, so just here. Hanggang dito lang tayo. ganda. I haven't been this close to this gate for a long time. Like, it's been a long time since I went here and checked this out. So, yeah. It's directly across JW Marriott. I think this is a hotel. Yeah. From there, you can stroll and go up there, but for me, I'm tired. I wanna go home. Yung naging travel vlog na naman siya. But anyways, ganito lang talaga. This is how I spend my life here during Sundays. And thinking about it, tomorrow is already Monday. So I have to go back to work after. Stressful. But I enjoyed my weekend, so that's okay. And I have to rest well. Because tomorrow is another work day. Starting another work week. Let's go. Currently, I'm here at Myeongdong. Few stations away from DDP. Still on the same line, line 4. And going around DDP. Let's find exit 6. And let's go out from there. Exit 6. Exit 6. Myeongdong. Oh, there are less people now. Usually this time it's already jam-packed and a lot of people are roaming around. Some stores are still closed. You see this? Interesting. 새해 복 많이 받으세요. Skincare. Oh, that's very much effective. Oh my god, what? It's 8,000? This one is shrimp and lobster. If you're familiar with Squid Game, this is their famous Dalgona challenge. Ah, free Palestine. Even if there's a rally, there are a lot of police nearby to make sure it's safe. This road is still Myeongdong, but it's going to line 2 of subway, green line. Need this, what do you call this? Money exchange. There are a lot here in Myeongdong too. Best rates as far as I remember. Let's go home now. Let's go to the market for a while. I forgot to buy some eggs. I'm still here at Terim. I think the market closed around 7 p.m., 6 p.m. and I still have time for that. What time is it? It's 4:23. So we still have an hour and a half to buy some eggs and some groceries. Sleepy. Actually, the only thing I buy in supermarkets are fruits and egg. The rest I buy them in either online or I don't buy them at all. I do shoppings, but usually already cooked food already. Not the things I have to cook. So at least egg, I can just microwave it or just air fry it, easy. But the rest, a lot of things to do, so very hard for me to manage. So yeah, it's a car. Some socks. Ooh, careful with the snow. Here's how it looks. Korean's wet market. So this is actually the outside. There are a lot of things to be found inside if you go deeper into the market. It's like these are like the usual street vendors, but there's a supermarket, wet market proper with the actual seafood, meat, and all things supermarket, wet market. So many people. 수돼지
갈비탕 끓이세요. 자, 국내산 소갈비 6,000원.
6,000원?
자, 갈비탕 하세요. 소갈비 6,000원.
맛있겠다.
아, 3만 원짜리야.
Then seafood. Here's the stuff for veggies and fruits. This one is delicious. Shiny muscat. You can buy this cheaply online, directly from the farmers. Eggs are 7,000. Nice. Get one. For only 10,000 Korean won, 2 kilo or 1 box of shiny muscat. Such a good find. This is very delicious. This one is 23, but this one is a good deal.
자,
Halgi 7,000.
자, 왕따니.
Nice.
자, 꿀따니요, 꿀따니.
I'm not so sure if it's still strawberry season, so I'm not hesitant on buying such. So I'm not sure if it's sweet or not, but I'm not sure. But the shiny muscat is for sure. The shiny muscat is very delicious. Our baby. Shiny muscat. Busyan. I'll eat it. It's very delicious, especially for example instead of eating cake or something. It's a good dessert. So healthy and very delicious. We're back in our room after 5-6 hours of walking outside and almost slipping because of the ice. And yeah, this day is quite productive for me. I was able to enjoy it my Sunday before going back to work tomorrow. And yeah, if you're interested having your Lasek surgery in South Korea, it's important for you to have a lot of options, be able to research different organizations, companies, clinics who are offering the program. And just to recap again, it's 65,000 inclusive of the surgery, my dry ice cure or treatment, the medicines, the drops, also the UV glasses. I gave them my old glasses and then they replaced the lenses with UV protective glasses, and also with no power already since you'll be having 20/20 vision. Also, the free checkup. So before having your LASIK surgery, you're supposed to have your checkup. So if you haven't really had your checkup yet, they won't be doing the surgery with you, or you can schedule a different day for your surgery. For my case, I did the checkup in the morning, and then once the tests cleared my eyes for the surgery, I immediately proceeded with the Lasek surgery, which only took, as mentioned, less than 10 minutes in total. And that's it. So if you want to do it, and also the same clinic where I did mine, it's Gangnam brand eye clinic, of course, in Gangnam. And I'll be sharing the links, their social networking SNS links below in the comment section and the description section, so at least you'll be able to reach them in Facebook or in Instagram. That's very important, because when I reached out, there's a lot of promo. Actually now, the Lasek surgery is only 1 million Korean won, only the surgery. But that's all very cheap already, like 39,000 Korean pesos. 1 million Korean won is now 39,000 pesos, both eyes. So if you're interested of going and undergoing such surgery and going it in Korea, that's something that you can try. Anyways, thank you for joining me in this video. I hope you learned something and you enjoyed a part of Korea that's I usually not be able to show in my daily life. And also, if you have a lot of comments, you have your questions, you have your inquiries, you just have to write them in the comment section. I'll be surely answering them in the next few videos. Anyways, bye bye.